Today, we are going to see step by step how to create a simple animated video outro that you can add at the end of your YouTube videos. This kind of outro is really useful because it allows you to thank your viewers, remind them to subscribe to your channel, encourage them to like your video, to leave a comment, and also to share it with others. Having a consistent outro also makes your videos look much more professional, and it helps build your brand identity over time. To create this outro, we are going to use an online tool called FlexClip. FlexClip is a video editor available directly in your browser, and it now includes many artificial intelligence features that make the process even faster and easier. So the first thing to do is to go to the FlexClip website. Once you are there, you will find a variety of tools. But for our purpose today, we are going to focus on templates. Templates are pre-designed video structures that you can customize for your own needs. Inside the template section, you will notice that there are templates for many different purposes. To create an outro, we need something that is related to YouTube subscriptions. So in the search bar, simply type the word subscribe. You will then see many ready-made templates that are designed specifically for YouTube channels. These templates often include animations where a subscribe button appears, or graphics that invite viewers to like and share the content. You can browse through the options and select the one that feels the most appropriate for your channel style. For example, if you are running a travel channel, you might want to select a template with visuals that relate to travel, such as airplanes, maps, or beach scenes. If you are creating content about meditation, you can search for meditation and see what templates are available in that category. The search might take a few seconds depending on your internet connection, but soon you will see animated templates that you can easily adapt. Similarly, if your channel is about sports, you can look for sports-related outros. If you stream video games, you can search for subscribe templates that are designed with gaming themes in mind. FlexClip provides a very wide variety of choices. In my case, my channel is about digital topics, so I typed YB.Digital into the search. That gave me a number of relevant templates. By simply hovering the mouse over any template, I can preview the animation. When I find one that I like, I have two options. I can either regenerate it with the help of artificial intelligence, or I can customize the existing animation. Regenerating with AI allows me to select a language, a tone of voice, like formal, casual, or even funny, and upload media files such as logos or photos. FlexClip then automatically adapts the video to my inputs. This costs credits, which you can buy on their website, but it's very convenient if you want a quick customized solution. Let's take a closer look at customization, which is the simpler approach. For example, if I have chosen a template that I like, I can replace the existing logo with my own logo. All I need to do is drag and drop my logo file directly onto the placeholder image. Immediately, the template is updated with my logo. I can also change the text very easily. By double-clicking on any text field, I can type in the name of my channel or any message I want. For example, I might write the name of my main channel, YB.Digital, and position it where I want. Once I make these small adjustments, I can preview the video by pressing play. Now, I have a short animated outro that perfectly fits the branding of my channel. It only took a few minutes to set up, and it gives my videos a much more polished finish. If I wanted, I could also use the AI generation option to create something even more unique. That feature analyzes the logo or images I provide, recognizes elements in them, and then integrates them into the video. FlexClip also offers more advanced editing features. For instance, you can use the timeline to add your own files, or you can take advantage of their built-in stock library of videos, music, and images. This means you can enrich your outro with background footage, sound effects, or even your own voiceover. If you want to emphasize your brand further, you could include your tagline, a catchy phrase, or a reminder about your other social media accounts. When you are satisfied with your outro, the next step is exporting it. FlexClip provides several export options. You can choose different resolutions depending on the quality you need, such as standard definition, full HD, or even 4K. You can also select the frame rate and the format. The outro can be exported as a video file, a GIF animation, or even as audio only if you want. Most of the time, you will export it as a video, because the goal is to append it to your YouTube uploads. Once exported, you can insert your outro at the end of any video that you create. If you are editing directly inside FlexClip, you can place it as the final clip in your timeline. If you prefer to use another editor, simply download the file from FlexClip and then import it into your other software. From that point forward, you can add this outro consistently to every video you publish on YouTube. Over time, viewers will start to recognize your outro as part of your brand identity. To summarize, creating an animated YouTube outro with FlexClip is straightforward. You go to the FlexClip website, search for subscribe templates, choose one that matches your channel's theme, Customize it with your own logo and text and then export it. If you want more automation, you can also use their AI features to generate a new video based on your input. Finally, once you export your outro, you can use it at the end of all your YouTube videos to thank your viewers and remind them to subscribe, like, and share. And that's it. With just a few steps, you have created a professional animated outro without needing advanced video editing skills. By consistently using it, you strengthen your brand, increase your chances of gaining more subscribers, and leave a lasting impression on your audience. FlexClip makes the entire process simple and accessible, even for beginners, and it gives you a result that looks like it was made by a professional video editor.